Hi, I am Nicole Dykman, and this is a screencast for my 550 Information Technologies course. I wanted to talk about this image here. It comes from a photo taken at a Pride protest. And as you can see, it reads, "Don't mess with Dumbledore's rights." And I wanted to talk about this specific sign in the context of the rest of my webpage here that discusses J.K. Rowling and her deteriorating relationship with the LGBTQ plus community. I think it's important to note that for a moment in time, her character Albus Dumbledore was a beloved icon for queer people and even served as a way for queer people to connect with heteronormative people. If straight and cisgender people could relate to and care about a character like Albus Dumbledore, then they could also relate to and care about the real queer people that exist in the world, which is exactly the point that the sign is making. But ultimately, the media has provided audiences with new queer icons, and now this image kind of has a sad kind of irony, knowing what we know now about the author who created him. But again, I do think Dumbledore had a shining moment here, and that it is something important to note.